Hi, we're Ample, and we love everything about the iPad.
Except the way it sounds.
That's because if you want to hear it clearly, you need to hold it like this. But it still sounds tinny and distorted, and there's no bass. That's not what we want from our music.
That's why we made Ample.
It's a sleek, powerful Bluetooth stereo speaker case with HD sound to match the HD images on the screen. It makes your iPad louder and much clearer and gives it deep bass, much deeper than you'd expect from an enclosure this small and portable.
And you don't need an external speaker or quiet room to hear it.
So how do we do it?
Our innovative acoustic design enhances the frequency range of the front-firing speakers and creates a wide stereo sound image.
Let's say you're making dinner, but you want to keep up with your favorite show. With Ample, kitchen noise is no match for the sound.
We also used a professional-grade sound correction algorithm, Conic, that works with our innovative sound channels to provide truly high-definition sound.
Or you're at a picnic, and you want to show your friends how to dance to your favorite song.
It's 3 times louder than your iPad. You can hear it more than 60 feet away, and the battery can power you through 10 straight hours of music.
Or you're at the office, and you're trying to Skype with a client, and the office is busy and loud. But Ample's up to the task, and you can all see and hear him clearly.
So Ample helps your iPad sound great no matter where you're listening. It's also sturdy, strong, and has a powerful battery. With your support, Ample can help you experience outstanding sound from your iPad. We can finalize our production processes, streamline our technology, and make Ample an indispensable part of your iPad.
It's time for you to watch your favorite movies and listen to your favorite music the way that you want, wherever you are. Help us, and you can also join the Ample movement.
Ever wondered what children imagine when they play? They create their own world, and in there, they can do anything. The limit is their imagination. Introducing MagicPlay, imagined by kids and designed to play. MagicPlay, educational games for iPad, merge the digital interface with the simplicity and fun of traditional wooden toys. It's simple, it's smart, it's magic.
Hey, I need help!
With MagicPlay, children use wooden toys to play games on their iPads, improving motor skills, collaboration, and creativity while bridging the gap between the digital and physical worlds. MagicPlay changes the way kids play and learn with the iPad. Just open the app and have fun.
MagicPlay is a set of really cool games adapted to kids of different ages. These games are designed to promote creativity, motor skills, and collaboration.
With these interactive games, we challenge kids to assemble wooden toys and find solutions for each level.
Right now, we have a fully working prototype and we are receiving amazing feedback about the product. That's why we really need your help to take it to the next level.
The iPad is here to stay. With your help, for sure we can help to make it a little smarter for kids and adults.
The iCross 2-in-1 kitchen tablet mount is a multi-purpose tablet holder designed to fit iPad, Surface, and Android tablets with a size ranging from 7 to 13 inches. It is easy to install in a kitchen, in a living room, and other places where you need a holder for a tablet. The package includes 2 wall mount brackets for installation at your designated location. You have the option to use it as a freestand, which can provide you with a greater mobility. The tablet holder can rotate with ease and adjust a viewing angle as you need, which can provide viewer with the comfort of viewing information or movies at any time, anywhere. The stand of the holder erects firm by itself on any surface. The tablet holder is perfect to use anywhere in the house or on vacation. Its possibilities are only limited by your imagination.
Hi Kickstarter, my name is Timothée. I'm a user experience designer specializing in new technology. Today I'm very excited to present you an amazing technology, Isketch Note.
I love to doodle, make sketch notes, and I love the iPad. I also love the feel of my pen traveling on a sheet of paper. But I couldn't find any solutions that matches the power of the iPad and that were as comfortable as writing on paper. So, me and my friends invented Isketch Note. Isketch Note is a smart iPad cover that integrates our new digitizing technology with the convenience of a notebook. It allows you to digitize your sketches and notes in real time with the added value of a hard copy for your files. Enhance your work on your iPad, back it up in your gallery, share it immediately on your favorite social media site.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Steven and I'm here to demonstrate the power of our Isketch Note technology. Here are some of the various prototypes which we have experimented with. Here is our latest version, which is a sensor matrix, which recognizes and tracks our pens automatically in real time. And with your support, here's our goal, to integrate our Isketch Note electronics into a sleek and sexy iPad cover. So let's try our prototype design with a transparent cover and show you how it works. As you can see, we have a USB connection, but we will upgrade this to a Bluetooth connection in the next few months. First, I take one of our smart and trendy Isketch Note pens. The pen has no electronics and no battery, just a simple permanent ring magnet embedded into this classic ballpoint pen. Next, I take one of these pieces of paper, and remember, Isketch Note works with any piece of paper and any notebook. Next, I simply begin to draw or write. I can change colors because Isketch Note technology recognizes it automatically. To finish up, you can watch instant replay and share it with your community of friends on your favorite social media website.